Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you're an oldie, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a get ready with me featuring the Culture by the Juvias Place palette. We're going to be doing a simple eye makeup look with the color orange. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then just continue to watch. Alright guys, so to begin, I'm prepping my brows with the NYX brow gel, and I'm just going in and prepping my brow before I start to fill them in. And I'm going in with my Pond's moisturizer to moisturize my skin while I let that dry up. Here I'm going in with my Benefits brow eyebrow pencil, and I'm just filling in and shaping the brows to the desired shape that I would like. Alright, so to clean up my brows, I'm going with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and I'm just using that angle brush to clean up the brows. Any area, whenever you do your brows, if you mess up, I always tell people it's okay, because when you clean it up is when you can really perfect the arch or the desired look of your brows. So that's what I'm going in here, is to going in with the concealer to clean up my brows, and then I'm going in with my Real Technique brush to blend out that concealer down. Alright, so going in with the base for my eyeshadow, I'm going in with the P. Louise in the shade number 4, and I'm using that same concealer brush to blend out so that they can have a seamless blend, so that way I can go ahead and set it with my Maybelline powder and start applying the eyeshadow. Although this seems like a seamless look, you really have to pay attention to details, because if not, it's going to be a very harsh transition and a very harsh blend. So to begin, I'm going in with a very soft brown, and that's going to begin the transition shade of the look. As stated in the beginning, we are using the Culture palette. So after that brown, I'm going in with that yellow from the palette, and that is going to be another transition color to get us to that orange. And y'all, I don't know why I'll be watching TV when I'm doing makeup, but I do. So if y'all see me got off, that's what happened. But next, I'm going in with the orange from that palette, and I used a flat brush this time, but honestly, after I started applying it, I realized I probably should use a different application brush to apply it, but I already used it, so I was like, let's just make the best of it. So I'm going in to apply that shade in the beginning, and then to continue to make this look more seamless, I'm going to go back in with the yellow and the brown to continue to blend out and let the transition be as smooth as possible so there's no harsh lines. So that's what I'm going to be doing in these next couple of steps. Alright, so I'm going in with my Maybelline primer, and I'm going to apply that, but then I'm also going to go in with my Becca primer. I went and used this on my nose because I know that this provides a more fuller coverage for when I needed to make sure that my freckles are being covered. So I went in with this, and it also helps minimize pores better than the Maybelline. So I did that in the nose area, and I know some people's like, well, why don't you just use that on it? But honestly, sometimes when I use that on my face, I can see like the streaks marked under my foundation, or maybe I just need to apply more foundation. But yeah, I just prefer to use it that way, and it works for me. So I went in with my Morphe Prep and Spray with that, and then I went in with my Milani in the foundation tan, and I'm using that as a foundation for my look. And I'm going in with the e.l.f. products, and I'm going into contour using Black Radiance contour stick, and I'm just going to blend all that out with my Real Technique brushes. Y'all, I really don't understand why my lighting is like this. I try to give y'all a better setup here, and everything looks a little off to me. Or maybe that's just my own preference or how things look. But honestly, y'all, you seen the look. I'll include some pictures here, but it does not look like that in real life. So I'm not sure why the pictures come out that way, but I'm hoping y'all are enjoying this new setup because it definitely is giving. And you know, it's giving. And once I blend out the concealer, I'm going to go in with the translucent powder by Laura Mercier in the shade Honey, just to press that in and work that into the concealer. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Off camera, I did film my lashes, the blush. I just started getting to the flow and I forgot to come back on the camera because I never do my lashes. It's just a little bit harder for me to do my lashes on camera, but I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you liked it and made it this far, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell, guys, so you don't miss an upload. And as always, stay true and stay you, and I'll see you guys in the next video.